Om Sri Sai Ram. My humble salutations to my beloved Bhagwan, respected elders, and my dear students. Happy welcome to National Mathematics Day. This day is celebrated in the memory of late Sri Srinivas Ramanujan, the man who knew infinity. Let me give a small description about the great renowned mathematician. Srinivas Ramanujan, the Indian mathematical genius, also hailed as an all time great mathematician, has made significant contributions to the field of mathematics. So, here Ramanujan, in his younger days, he was like this. Ramanujan was born in 1887 in Erode. During his early years, his family lived in a small house at Kumbakonam. The house was now being converted into a museum in memory of Ramanujan. House of Ramanujan in Kumbakonam, which is now a museum. So inside the museum, we can see all this. Ramanujan started his schooling at Kangyana Primary School and later joined the town higher secondary school. It was here that Ramanujan was first exposed to pure mathematics. The town higher secondary school in Kumbakonam looks like this. At school, he stood out because of his brilliance and astounding proficiency in various branches of mathematics. Upon graduation, he was awarded the K. Ranganatha Rao Prize in Mathematics. The best size Ramanujan photo at the school of Kumbakonam is like this. But this genius also faced a few failures in his life. He was unable to obtain a scholarship at the prestigious Government Arts College in Kumbakonam because he failed in English. Later, he joined Pachiyappa's College in Chennai, but he had to discontinue his studies because of an illness. He conducted his research in mathematics independently and lived on very little money. Pachiyappa's College in Chennai. In 1909, he married 9-year-old Janaki, and in 1911, his first contribution to the Indian Mathematics Society was published. Central Cabinet Minister Mr. K. Shantanam and President of Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, Mr. C. Subramaniam with Mrs. Janaki Ramanujan at her residence. This is the photograph. This changed for the better when he joined the Madras Port Trust in accounts department and received a salary of rupees 30 a month. He moved to Triplicane, Chennai with his mother and wife. The house at Triplicane, Chennai, where Ramanujan stayed with his wife and mother. In 1913, Ramanujan first wrote to Professor G.H. Hardy, an English mathematician. He marked the beginning of a unique friendship between the two mathematical geniuses and resulted in the publishing of 100 co-authored papers. In one letter he wrote to Hardy, Ramanujan said, "I have found a friend in you who views my labor sympathetically." This is the picture of G.H. Hardy and Ramanujan. With the help of Professor Hardy and on the recommendations of E.H. Neville and Gilbert Walker, another fellow at the Trinity College, Ramanujan secured a scholarship of Rs 75 a month from the University of Madras. This is the picture of University of Madras. In early 1914, Ramanujan left for England abroad, SS Nevasa, with a scholarship of £250 a year for 2 years. In April 2014, he joined Trinity College and later went to Cambridge. In 1918, he became the first Indian to be elected Fellow at the Royal Society at the Trinity College, Cambridge. This is the University of Cambridge. As he continued to suffer from his illness, Ramanujan returned to India in 1919. He expired on April 26, 1920 in Madras. Photograph, photograph of Ramanujan displayed at the Ramanujan Museum and Math Education Center, Royapuram, Chennai. Ramanujan's last notebook, consisting of more than 100 pages, was discovered in 1976 by George Andrews, an American mathematician. Of the discovery, another American mathematician, Bernard, says in the book Riders of the Lost Notebook, the discovery of this lost notebook caused roughly as much stir in the mathematical world as the discovery of Beethoven's 10th Symphony would cause in the musical world. The last notebook of Ramanujan, published by C. Bernard, is a display at the Chennai Museum. Ramanujan's lost notebook and photographs from his life are displayed at the Chennai Museum. So, certificates of the accomplishments and pictures from life of Srinivasa Ramanujan are placed in this museum. Janaki Ramanujan and Professor George Andrews at the centenary celebration of Ramanujan. May the life and achievements of this genius inspire many more. Thank you for watching this video.